That's the old sprocket. Clean it up. It's got some wear on it. I don't know if I could even get a new one or not. Shouldn't matter how this thing goes on, eh? Okay, so we got the chain off this sprocket up here. We're gonna take apart this, try to get this sprocket off because we gotta get this drive shaft off because we're gonna get this chain case off. It's leaking in behind there. So what I got is what is this, 14 millimeter. There's a bolt on there. So I'll put this 14 millimeter bolt or socket on there. Get it in there. Take that off. There we go, that's the bolt. You can see, we'll try and pop that off, but this whole case is weld sealed on there, so I'm gonna have to take off these, or take out these bolts on the frame, and then I'll try prying it off, and we'll get back to you in a second here. Okay guys, welcome back. Still on this chain case housing. I said I've taken off that top sprocket, gotten that chain off there. I've taken those chain tensioners out. Took off the bolt that goes down, holds that bottom sprocket on there. Took the bolts here on the sides. There's 2 bolts on the sides that I've taken out. And I tried prying it off. Obviously it didn't come. Couldn't figure out why, because obviously this is my first time doing this. I've never done this before, so I'm just kind of taping this, so if anybody has any questions on this, they kind of see how I'm doing this. But went through the manual, and it appears there is 3 bolts on the inside. I'm gonna try and see if I can show you guys this. Right on there. So I gotta, there we go, right there. So what I already started to, I took 1 out. I'll take those other 2 out of there. And then I believe after that, I should be able to get that, this housing off. There, so finally got this last bolt. It was a pain in the ass. I'm sure there was way better ways to get at it. I don't know. It's my first time doing this. I'm sure there'll be guys that'll just be like, should have did this way easier. I don't know how else I would have got in there to get that, but oh, there it is. That's the 3rd bolt, and hopefully the final bolt. Now this thing should just come right off. I will see here. More light action. I don't know for camera wise if that even helps out, but see there. Got It doesn't even help. So, now, let's see if I can wedge this off a bit. I've got a bar. Should come off, I think, I'm hoping. I could just wedge it off a bit this time. In there. So it's off now. See a nice little wedge in there. Maybe not. Sprocket's still attached there. I'll have to see if I can get that off somehow. Must have been that gasket back there leaking. Again, I'm sure there's probably an easier way to do this. I'm probably doing it the hardest way possible. But it's my first time, so I'll try and get this sprocket off here. See what I can do, and we'll go from there. All right. So there we go, I just broke that sprocket free, just with a wrench, and see there's a bolt in there. I don't know where that bolt came from, but I'm assuming that gasket is the culprit, that's why this is leaking. In there, take this housing out of here. This out of here. So here we go. That's the ticket. So I don't know if I want to take that drive shaft out of there or not. Kind of this far already. Think about that and see what I want to do. Definitely have to clean all this up, but man, that was tough getting those 3 bolts out of there to get that housing off. I don't know if there's an easier way or not. Somebody comments and helps me out, but I can't see any other way. I have to get a new gasket, seal that up, put it back on, and I'll check out this drive shaft. So I'll have to do some body work on this. Yeah, and then I'll have to just do a little research tonight on this drive shaft. See if I want to do it. See how easy it is. Should do it, but we'll see.